It's getting cool outside and the holidays are coming up. Go ahead and get in the house.
Cause I heard it's the bomb, so you got it going on.
Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now before I get into this easy breezy beginner friendly slay, let me just say this may be my new everyday wig. It look good, right? And so do that price. Stay tuned. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Let's go ahead and get the elephant out the room. Okay, I'm filming on a different setup today just because my microphone for my main camera decided to just stop working and I can't find my replacement. So we are filming on my vlog camera, so hopefully it looks okay. But let's go ahead and get this wig installed, okay? It should be very easy because it is a water wave unit. This should be easy peasy to put on. If you are a beginner to curly wigs, I always suggest water wave as your go-to. I will be adding some mousse to mine, but this is how it looks after the wash. It did dry down a little bit outside. It does have that 7x5 parting space as well as the drawstring in the back for extra security. One of the new upgrades that I have noticed on this wig is the thinner adjustable strap in the back. So instead of having the thicker elastic band, you get a thinner strap that looks kind of like the adjustable strap and the elastic band had a baby. That's kind of what it gives me. So it has the look and the make of the elastic band, but the thinness of the adjustable strap. So I'm gonna put this on first before I do anything. Let me bring my mirror up. Y'all, I really hope this video comes out decent because I'm really upset about my mic. Let me put on the strap first. That thinner strap. Uh-oh, that's not what I want. Come a little bit further down. Okay. Oh, I knocked my glasses off my face. Sheesh. I didn't tint my lace yet, so don't worry, I'm gonna do it. Let's turn a bit. So where's that strap? I have a bag of claw clips and I don't know where the heck they are. All right, so this is how that's looking. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. And be careful. Tighten that down like that. It makes that lace lay a little bit flatter around the front as well. And then I'll bring down the cap, use that drawstring to tighten it down. Like that. Okay. And then I can tuck the excess under. Very snug, very secure. So now it's pretty tight and flat around my hairline, so I'm not getting any type of buckling or curling up of the lace because it's holding it down really flat around my hairline to help with that gluelessness of the install. Okay. But I gotta tint my lace, so let me take this off. I'm gonna use my contour palette to tint my lace. I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade to do that. Contour shade first, and then the sculpt color. I'm gonna bring that around the edge of the lace, like so. There is some construction going on outside, y'all, so excuse that if you hear that on the microphone. All right, let's put this back on. Get my middle part here. Tighten down my cap as well. That's how we are looking so far. Okay. They did cut some baby hairs right there, which kind of upset me, Beauty Forever. Y'all know I don't do that. I like to trim my own baby hairs because I like them to look a certain way. But that's all right. We're gonna make it work. My wig is 24 inches, which I wanted. You know, it's getting a little cool outside, and I like my longer wigs in the cooler months. And with the discount, I think mine is like $209. $209 for the 24 inch, $189 for the 22 inch, and $159 for the 20 inch. Respectfully, yeah. Get in where your pockets fit in. You can go shorter if you want to. Water wave, I always suggest to go a little bit longer because you want that beach wave type of look. I want to pluck out just a smidge of this hair right here. It's a little too, it's just a little too full right there. The line is too perfect. So I'm just going in right on that side before that baby hair. Okay. And then if I want, I can go in and cut out that lace that I don't need. Okay, just kind of cut that off. Now I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline And I'm gonna swirl up these edges. Bring it over. And just move back the hairs that I'm not gonna use. A little bit. Fix up that part in space. They sent me an elastic band, so let's use that. I could probably zoom in a little bit more. Wrap it down. Beauty forever. Perfect. I think so. Okay, I did my makeup really quick, and now I need to get my hair together. This is 180% density, so she looks pretty full. Okay. That's how we looking. Take my Nairobi mousse, put it all over the hair. I might trim it just a little bit, just to make sure my ends are, you know, popping the way I want them to be. Comb that back. Make sure my hairline gonna be showing. Let's see. Let's add a little bit more mousse. Scooch up a bit. Again, it's a water wave, so it's not gonna curl, you know. It's not giving a tight curl, but there is some curl at the end. Scrunch it up. Use my universal diffuser. Open it up, sit it on there. I'm gonna diffuse the hair, dry it down. Let me clip back the hair right here in the front. And I'm gonna take the band off. Oh, well, dang. Brush them out, make them softer. Hold up, I can move my forehead down some. There we go. Okay, this is optional, but because I have that widow's peak in there, I need it to be as flat as it can be. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my melt spray to do that. Just right here on the widow's peak. Right there. The band is holding the rest of that down. Bring that up. Here we go. Think we're working out pretty decently. I'm gonna use my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray right here in the front, just to hold this up. Take off the clips. I could clip this down right here if I want, just to kind of hold it. And once that sets, we are finished. Okay. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look, nice and simple. Is this gonna be my new vlog wig? Yeah. Y'all know I've been wearing that other joint out, but this may take its place. Normally for my water wave wigs, the more I wear them, the better they look, in my opinion. So I feel like this first install is real nice, okay? But as I wear her, she will look even better. Let me get my little shirt down. And again, it is a 7x5 lace closure wig. So the lace is not coming all the way down on the sides, but as you can see, it's kind of blending in on my edges already. So if your edges are a little bit thinner or non-existent, you can definitely use the hair on the side of the wig. Let me show you. Use the hair on the side of the wig, bring it down, okay? And cover your sides up. I could also wear a headband. Pull this back like that and then yank it back. Here we go. There we go. I need a little bit more edges over here. Come on. It's always one side that looks better than the other. That's all right. It's a headband wig. What edges? Okay, wear them closure wigs with the headband. They cute too. And the curl texture is so pretty, y'all. 180% density. She looks good. With no trim, she looks good. So I can only imagine with the trim, she gonna look even better. The no slip band works as intended. Some people don't like the elastic band in the wigs, especially when you have to put it at a certain location on the wig, you know, right up by the ear. This alleviates that pressure by the ear. It definitely gives it a more comfort fit as well. I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning, but it does have that 360 all around fit. It's an anti-slip comfort fit all the way around. And my 23-inch head is fitting in this wig, okay? I do feel like the more I tighten it down though, the more pressure I will feel right here. All I gotta do is go in the back, loosen up that drawstring, and I'll be just fine. Because as you wear the wig, it will start to conform down to your head shape. So I just wanna loosen it up just a smidge. There we go. See, already, woo, I felt that release. So make the wig fit work for you. You can wear this wig glueless. I just sprayed mine down right here. But if I didn't do the widow's peak, I wouldn't need to spray it down because it's an anti-lifting lace structure. So if you're wondering if you can wear this wig outside when it's hot or in the gym when you're sweating, yes you can. And like I said, the cost of this wig is, you know, it's a cute little coin. It's getting cool outside and the holidays are coming up. Go ahead and get in the house. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.